Welcome back to my channel. My name is Vince from Vince Pure Life. I appreciate you're following me, seeing my videos, liking, and also subscribing to my channel. Today we're gonna have schnitzel of chicken, very easy and also delicious food. I peel my potatoes. I'm cutting it to the portion, actually bigger portion. I want to have a potato stick. I put it in the cold water, wash it, and I'm gonna air fry it. I add some salt and pepper, some paprika, and olive oil. Now time to massage it a little and put it in the air fryer, and it'll be there till get nice and golden. Here is my organic chicken. I'm gonna cut it and split it in half, and also hammer it so I make it very thin and also tender. All right, I'm dipping my chicken into the egg, and then in my breadcrumb I add some saffron, salt and pepper, and also garlic powder in my breadcrumb, so it gives like better taste to the chicken. And I kind of pat it to the crumb. Here's my organic avocado oil. It's already preheated, and here we go. We're going to fry the chicken. Look right here. All the sauce. Melting. I don't need to chew it. See my colorful carrot. Look, burgundy right there. Look at the color. I love it. Wow. This is the perfect food, isn't it? Wow. I'm sorry that you just need to watch this. I wish you were here so we can enjoy it together. Let me have some more chicken. I air fried some mushroom also. So tasty, unbelievable. Wow. Please subscribe the channel if you like this food and if you like to see more of me.